Good morning, children. I'm back again with an interesting activity. Pouring activity. Okay? Now, what is pouring means? Pouring means putting water from one container to another container. Like the teapot pours water or milk. Mama pours water from the jug to the glass. Mama also pours water in the bucket when you take bath. We pour water to ourselves while we take bath, right? Then Mama also pours hot milk in your cup to drink, right? Yes, children? So these are pouring. So now for this activity, we are going to take different containers and water. Now for this activity, we will require a jug. Okay. Now tell me, children, what is this? Yes, this is a jug. And what is this? This is the lid of the jug. What is this? This is the handle of the jug. Yes. Three glasses, different glasses. Now, what are these? These are glasses. How many glasses are here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1 cup. Okay. This is a cup. 2 bowls. 1 big bowl and 1 small bowl. 1 spoon. 2 bottles. 1 tray. You will need a tray so that the water does not spill out. Okay? Then water. Here I have colored water, blue. And a small cloth for cleaning purpose. Okay? So now let's start with the activity. Children, we are going to take this tray so that the water does not spill out. And also we are going to keep this cloth aside so that if the water spills out, we can clean with this cloth. Now, I will take the jug with water and also 3 glasses. Now we are going to fill 3 glasses with water. 1 glass is for Mama, 1 glass is for Papa, and 1 glass is for yourself. Now I'll show you how to hold the jug correctly. Now tell me children, is this the way to hold the jug? No, this is not the correct way. See, can you see the handle? This is what? Handle of the jug. Yes. So, we are going to hold the handle of the jug and lift it up. Yes. The jug is heavy for you. So, you will hold the handle of the jug with one hand, and for support, you will hold the bottom of the jug with the other hand like this. Now we will pour water in 3 glasses, one by one. See. We will not fill the water till the brim, otherwise the water will spill out. Okay? Same for this glass. Yes? Again in this glass. See how I am holding the jug? Yes? Okay? So now we will pour the water again in the jug, one by one. Okay? So I'll keep the jug on the tray like this. Now we are going to pour the water from the glasses one by one. See, slowly, slowly. Okay? Now, from this glass. Yes. Now you can see the water spilled out into the tray. So we are going to clean this. Yes? With the help of cloth. See. Now we have taken 1 cup of water, a big bowl. Now we'll pour this water in this bowl. Okay? Now tell me children, how we are going to hold the cup? Is this the way to hold the cup? No. This is wrong way to hold the cup. What is this children? Yes, this is the handle of the cup. Now we are going to hold the handle like this. See, this way. and lift the cup up. Yes. Now we'll be pouring water in this bowl. See, slowly, slowly, in this way. Yes. Okay. Now we will pour the water again in this cup. Okay. Now for that, I'll keep this cup on the tray. Now, as the bowl is big, we are going to hold the bowl with our two hands, both the hands, right? See, like this. Hold the bowl with both the hands, like this. Now, pour the water slowly, slowly into the cup. Yes. This way. Now we have two glasses. Yes. In this glass, we have water. Now we are going to pour this water in this glass. Okay? See, this way we are going to hold the glass and pour slowly, slowly. Yes, in this way. Okay. Now, again, we are going to pour the water in this glass. Okay? Hold the glass like this. Pour it slowly. Yes. Now we have taken a small bowl with spoon and water and a glass. Now we are going to pour water with the help of spoon in the glass. Okay? Take the water in the spoon and pour it slowly, slowly in this way. Yes. See? Now, we are going to pour this water in this bowl again with the help of spoon. Okay? So for this, I'll shift this glass here. See. Take spoonful of water and pour it slowly in this way. Yes. Okay? Now we have taken 2 bottles. Okay? One bottle is filled with water and the other is empty. So I am going to pour this water in this bottle. See. Slowly. We are not going to fill the water till the brim. Otherwise it will spill out. Okay. Now we are going to do the same procedure with this. Okay. Now we are going to pour this water in this bottle. See? Slowly, slowly. Yes. Okay, children. Now, we have completed with this activity. So, after we complete the activity, we are going to clean this tray, whatever water has been spilled out, okay, with the cloth. See. So children, in this way, you're going to do this activity at home with your mama. This will develop your fine motor skills, which will help you to hold the pencil properly. It will also increase your concentration level. Thank you.